Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This year I will introduce you 100 healthy recipes and record the changes in my body. My current weight is 58.3 kilograms. Let's see what happens to my body after 1 year of healthy eating. Okay, today I will introduce you my first healthy recipe, chicken potato salad. This salad only has 300 calories. And it tastes pretty good. I think deliciousness comes first. Because if it doesn't taste good, it's hard to stick with it. First we prepare 2 chicken breasts and cut them into strips. Chicken breast is a great source of lean protein. It is low in fat and calories, making it a healthy choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. Add 2 spoons of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of cooking wine, a little salt and black pepper. Marinate for 1 hour. Prepare a potato. Wash and peel it. Then cut into small pieces. Steam for 20 minutes until soft. Wash and cut broccoli into pieces. Cook and drain it. Boil 2 eggs. Then cut it. Prepare a few cherry tomatoes and cut them into pieces. Spray a little olive oil into the pan. Heat over medium heat. Fry the chicken until cooked through. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Then put all the ingredients on the plate. Let's make a sauce. Some mayonnaise or salad dressing. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, a little sesame seeds, and a little water. Pour the sauce over the salad and mix well. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Potatoes provide a good source of vitamins C and B6, as well as minerals like potassium and manganese. Fiber-rich, broccoli is high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full longer. By combining protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables, this salad provides a well-rounded and nutritious meal option. I will be sharing 100 healthy recipes this year, so I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.